Welcome to Food Cave. Today I show you what goes into our mushroom sauce. We use white button mushrooms. Make sure they're not open at the bottom, otherwise the sauce will go good grayish color at the end. We have here, you see the ingredients are all pretty much white. Our chicken stock, heavy cream, milk, the button mushroom, nicely cut, not too fine, onions, butter, flour, salt and herbs for mushrooms. Again, I can't tell you what herbs they are. White pepper, freshly ground, and obviously a little bit of our sea salt, of course. It will all go together in the pot. Obviously first we make a roux out of the flour and the butter, and then put this whole thing together. At least you know what goes in there. Again, no artificial flavors, no MSG, just pure raw ingredients. Hi, we're filming the pepper sauce just now. I just want to tell you with the mushroom sauce, as I said, I mustn't tell you the secret that we actually put white wine in. But psst, I'll just ask the guys to edit to the clip.